Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring a chilling what-if scenario. What if the moon crashed into Earth? Imagine a bustling city under a starry night sky. Its skyscrapers twinkling with life, but the moon looms 10% larger. Its craters like Tycho and Copernicus casting an eerie silver-blue glow, hinting at a cosmic catastrophe. Astronomers in a high-tech observatory huddle around glowing monitors, their faces pale as screens flash red with orbital data showing the moon's trajectory veering dangerously toward Earth. Coffee cups forgotten on cluttered desks. In a sleek news studio, a tense anchor reports the crisis. A massive LED screen behind them displaying a 3D model of the moon's deadly path, red warning lines pulsing as the world tunes in. Urban plazas fill with anxious crowds, their faces lit by the moon, now 20% larger. Its Maria starkly visible, while billboards flash "Evacuate now" in bold red letters, sparking panic. Coastal cities brace as monstrous tidal waves surge inland. The moon's gravitational pull warping the ocean into frothy chaos, flooding streets and sweeping away cars under a twilight sky. On a rural farmhouse porch, a family stands frozen, staring at the moon, now 40% larger, its hyper-detailed craters glowing against a starry backdrop, their dog barking nervously as wheat fields sway violently. In a high-security bunker, world leaders argue around a holographic table, its blue glow illuminating grim faces as it maps the moon's collision course, digital clocks ticking down relentlessly. From space, satellites spiral chaotically, their polished metal glinting as the moon, 50% closer, disrupts their orbits, Earth's stormy curvature swirling below. Candlelit vigils fill grand cathedrals, the moon's eerie light streaming through stained glass windows depicting apocalyptic scenes, as prayers rise in desperate hope. Smartphone screens light up bedrooms worldwide. X-posts with moon crash trending, showing shaky videos of the moon's massive form and panicked comments flooding social media. Volcanoes erupt with fury, their molten lava glowing red against ash clouds, triggered by the moon's gravitational pull, now 70% larger, its craters haunting the horizon. Earthquakes tear through cities, streets splitting open, skyscrapers tilting as glass shatters into reflective shards under the moon's pale glow. Towering tsunamis crash into coastal metropolises, submerging skyscrapers, the moon's pull now 90% larger, distorting oceans into chaotic waves that reflect its cratered surface. Inside the International Space Station, floating tools and tablets drift in chaos, the moon's massive form filling the window, its lunar soil glowing as Earth's storms rage below. Forests tremble as deer, owls, and foxes flee, their shadows dancing under the moon's eerie light, now 110% larger, as distant volcanoes glow ominously. Highways clog with abandoned cars, their headlights dimming under ashfall. Emergency lights flashing as the moon dominates the smoky sky. In high-tech labs, scientists plot desperate missile strikes, holographic screens showing the moon's trajectory, their faces set with determination as time runs out. Military bases launch rockets, their fiery trails arcing toward the moon, now 140% larger. Its hyper-detailed surface glowing against a starry void, a futile bid to avert disaster. Power grids collapse, plunging cities into darkness, the moon's cold light, now 150% larger, casting long shadows over unlit skyscrapers as ash drifts like snow. On a quiet hilltop, grasslands sway under the moon's massive silhouette, its craters almost tangible, as distant sirens fade, marking a final moment of calm. Then, catastrophe strikes. The moon grazes Earth's atmosphere, glowing red-hot with friction, shockwaves rippling across the sky as clouds vaporize. The collision unleashes a blinding white explosion, molten rock vaporizing into a crater hundreds of kilometers wide, the moon's fractured remnants embedding into Earth's crust. Debris rockets into space, glowing red as it forms a chaotic cloud around the planet, Earth's surface scarred below. Firestorms ignite forests and plains, the sky turning hellish orange, smoke swirling as embers float under the moon's faint remnants. Oceans boil near the impact, steam clouds rising as massive tsunamis radiate outward, flooding scorched landmasses. The atmosphere, superheated, glows red with lightning cracking through ash clouds, the moon's fragments casting eerie shadows over a molten wasteland. Bunkers tremble, their concrete walls shaking, emergency lights flickering as radios hiss with static screens flashing, "Impact detected." An impact winter descends, thick ash clouds blocking sunlight, snow falling on charred ground under the faint glow of the moon's remnants. Cities lie in ruins, skyscrapers reduced to twisted metal and rubble, buried in ash under a smoky sky. Survivors emerge from bunkers into a toxic wasteland, glowing green chemical pools bubbling amid ash-covered debris, the air shimmering with heat. In ruined supermarkets, flashlights sweep over scattered cans and broken shelves, the struggle for survival stark under the moon's faint glow. Strange bioluminescent fungi sprout near the impact crater, glowing blue-green in the smoky haze, a surreal sign of life adapting. Starving animals, wolves, birds wander barren plains, their forms gaunt under the debris ring that now encircles Earth, its lunar fragments glowing faintly. Conflicts flare over scarce supplies, flashlights glinting on debris-strewn streets, the debris ring casting a pale glow above. Underground shelters, cramped and dim, house survivors under flickering fluorescent lights, crates of dwindling supplies stacked against concrete walls. Collapsed bridges and highways lie abandoned, their twisted cables and concrete pillars buried in ash, a testament to societal ruin. Scientific outposts monitor the toxic atmosphere, their glowing screens displaying radiation and ash levels, the debris ring visible through reinforced windows. A faint radio signal sparks hope, its green light blinking in a ruined communication tower under the debris ring's glow. A monument of lunar rock stands in a wasteland, candles flickering at its base, honoring the lost under the ring's faint light. Underground colonies thrive with hydroponic farms, their artificial lights nurturing green shoots in ash-mixed soil, a beacon of resilience. Alien-like ecosystems emerge near the crater, glowing creatures crawling among bioluminescent plants, adapting to a transformed world. From space, Earth's new debris ring shines, its hyper-detailed lunar fragments encircling a scarred planet, a cosmic legacy of destruction. Survivor rituals form under the ring's glow, torches illuminating stone circles, a new culture rising from ruin. Geodesic domes rise in barren landscapes, their salvaged metal gleaming as survivors rebuild with hope. Children in underground schools learn of the crash via glowing holograms, their curiosity a spark of renewal. Abandoned cities decay, mutant vines creeping over rubble under the debris ring's light, nature reclaiming the ruins. A makeshift rocket launches toward the ring, its fiery exhaust cutting through the smoky sky, a bold step into the unknown. On a cliff, a scarred earth shows faint green patches, the debris ring glowing above, a symbol of endurance. Scientists harness lunar fragments' energy, their labs glowing with blue radiation, a new power source for a broken world. Reclaimed farmland blooms in domes, green crops thriving under artificial lights, life defying the odds. Blueprints for space colonies take shape, holograms dreaming of habitats orbiting the debris ring, a new frontier. New rituals honor the ring, lunar rocks arranged in sacred circles under torchlight, a spiritual rebirth. A child's drawing of a green earth hangs in a dim colony, its vibrant colors a promise of hope against concrete walls. Survivor camps unite across makeshift bridges, torchlight signaling community in a barren land. The night sky sparkles with new constellations from the debris ring, a cosmic tapestry of loss and wonder. An oasis blooms, its clear stream reflecting the ring's glow, green grass defying the ash-covered wasteland. From space, Earth endures, its scars softened by faint green continents, the debris ring a haunting reminder of the crash. This is a story of destruction, resilience, and rebirth, a world transformed by a cosmic cataclysm, yet clinging to hope. Like, share, subscribe our channel.